Who doesn't love watermelon? The delicious watermelon you enjoy during summer is plant of family Cucurbitaceae. Choosing the right watermelon seems tricky to many, as sometimes you feel disappointed when you cut your favorite fruit. So how to choose the best watermelon for yourself? Here in this video we'll check out some points which will help us to make a wise choice while choosing watermelon. In the later part of the video we'll discuss about nutrients present in watermelon, what are its health benefits, and finally we will discuss something about watermelon allergy. So let's start. First of all, it should be heavy for its size. A creamy yellow spot is an indication that melon has ripened on the field. If instead of yellow you find a white ground spot, it means that it was picked earlier before it reached its full ripeness. Look for the part of the stem that is left attached after harvesting. A dry stem usually suggests a ripe watermelon. Tap it underside, you should hear a deep hollow sound if it is ripened. In case it is underripe or overripe, it will produce a dull subdued sound. Lastly, it should have smooth even surface and should be free from any surface and shape anomalies. Here you can see the nutrition value of 100 grams fresh raw watermelon. Coming to the health benefits, it has high percentage of water, about 92%, hence the name watermelon. Every bite contains about 92% water and 6% sugar, which helps us to remain hydrated. A and C loaded fruit is great for the skin and hair health. It also keeps the immune system strong. It has cancer preventive compounds which reduce cancer risk. Vitamin A and C prevent free radical damage of DNA. Beta carotene prevents macular degeneration and prevents age-related blindness. It is a good source of potassium which has blood pressure lowering effect, thus decreasing the risk of heart diseases. Watermelon is a natural diuretic which helps increase the flow of urine but doesn't strain the kidneys, thus helping body in removal of waste. Let us talk about watermelon allergy. Although watermelon allergy is very rare, but if you notice it, you must avoid eating it. In case it is severe, you must visit a doctor. Watermelon allergy symptoms include nausea and vomiting, persistent coughing, hives, an itchy tongue or throat, stomach cramps, stomach pain. Now let's talk about diagnosis of watermelon allergy. Watermelon allergy is diagnosed by blood tests performed in the lab. It is also commonly diagnosed by performing skin prick test. In this, the skin is pricked and a small sample of watermelon is placed on the area. If a person is allergic, a raised bump can be seen after some time. With this, our video regarding the health benefits of watermelon, how to make wise choice while choosing watermelon from market, and problems of watermelon allergy comes to an end. Do like, share our video and subscribe our channel for more health related information.